Alright, got everything back into the trunk, sort of. I'll still be cleaning it up a little bit better. That's kind of just sitting here freely, but yeah, I'll fix that. What I've done right now is I have added in a riv nut. There you go. A riv nut here so that I can get this bracket mounted and it'll actually be secure, because before I had my water trap kind of just raw dogging it, to be honest. And yeah, let me set this down so I can use two hands. But yeah, basically this was raw dogged before and I want it to be secure. So I went ahead and got my rib nut stuff. There we go. So that's now secure. And I'll go ahead and just run this line. I gotta cut this. I'll probably get a longer line so I can get it to flow. Yeah, this is not a good line, so I'm gonna go get some more line, cut it, and then add it into there. So that should be done. This will close just fine over everything. So this is good. Water trap is still, like I can still feel the top of the water trap here. So that's good. Everything's good there. Zach traded his Forester for a Legacy GT. Then he bought coils for it the very next day. And yeah, got fun turbo stuff now. So this should be cool content for the channel. Giving him my old cash can that we probably won't install today, but who knows? We'll see. He's gonna fix his hell horns. This one's mounted like an idiot.
They're mounted on the same bar, it's just
they just tilted the bar.
On level.
On level. You like that? I like that. Carl should be here probably like about an hour or so to weld in the rest of the plates so we can get this thing finally on the ground. I'm excited to do the first burnout in the welded diff. No more one wheel peel here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up the trunk and stuff, and then I'll probably won't end up recording again until Carl gets here and we start working on some more. We're also probably gonna gut his cat because we don't care about performance, we care about sound. So yeah. Cat. Big cat.
Cadillac converter.
Big Cadillac converter. Is that the turbo?
See, little baby.
Little baby.
Little baby.
Excellent. Fuck cars. Be back. So, I went ahead and wired up Zach's horns, right? I made him a little harness. Came out pretty nice. Should be pretty hidden behind the grill. So, fun. Now I'll work on this because I haven't worked on it. But, I'm dreading it. Bye-bye. We got Barl here. Barl is in the house. He brought his welding equipment, everything, the fucking tank and all that, so we can go ahead and finish this shit up and get it the fuck out of my garage already. I want to drive it, dude. I can't wait. Can't wait to feel what this thing feels like. Solid, nice and solid. Yeah, he's setting that up. Did you bring all the undercoating stuff too?
Yep.
See, look at this fucking guy, bro. Love it. All right, well, ooh. There we go. Rubberized black. All right, so I'm gonna let him finish setting up, and I'll get a little bit of clips here and there of him welding. Don't need a bore with all of that. I did modify my battery bracket because I fucking forgot that this covers like everything. So my water trap is still, you know, it's got its room and everything sits on top of here. so we're all still good. This will get squished down. I did put the new union fittings that I was talking about. Got those tightened up, so everything is almost good to go, man. I mean, just gotta finish the plates. While I was doing some of that, welding back here, I'm gonna do all the union stuff that I have up front, so that you know, I can get this done and all the dumb stuff out of the way already, and hopefully tomorrow I can start putting this back together. Probably not tomorrow, actually. I got shit to do tomorrow, but yeah, I'll be back. Love this guy. Hell yeah. Getting all my welds nicer. Currently, I am redoing all these fittings. Like I said before, I bought unions instead, so I don't have to worry about leaking from like the old PTFE or whatever the fuck tape. So I'm just trying to make a little washer. That way, when it goes in here, actually, that looks like it will go in fine. So I'll probably just throw it in, tighten that up, and then yeah, run all my lines again, get the front wheels back on so that I can get them out of the way because they're just kind of sitting down. Yeah, I'll watch Carl finish that. We'll spray the undercoating, let it dry, put the car back together. So later. Man, I am so excited. This shit is so cool. This is exciting. If you own an E36 or E46 and you know about the subframe issues, you know how stressful it is to be driving and just thinking, you know, is today gonna be the day that my subframe fucking cracks on me? And my old coupe, actually, my 46 coupe, the front strut tower is actually fucking cracked, and they were welded, like fixed welded, but it was so bad. And the car never, like, I could never get it aligned correct. The caster was always off, stuff like that. So I didn't want to have to like repair and reinforce when it came down to it. I wanted to get the reinforcement done and out of the way, just like, you know, peace of mind or whatever. So I'm very, very grateful to have friends who know what they're doing. Again, I know how to do a lot of things, but I know when to not touch things. So I'm gonna read something to drink and let Carl do his thing, and we'll hang out, do nothing. I'm ready. All right, Carl just got done. Oh yeah. So Jimmy Oaks, I was watching one of his videos on the E36 reinforcements, and he didn't actually, or he says you don't need to weld all the way around, as long as you got, you know, a good couple welds here and there. He said even like just stitch weld all the way around would be more than enough, just for the sake of time, and you know, we don't want to heat this up all too much at one time and everything. So this should do. I think this is more than enough that we need. So time to just coat everything and let it dry for about a day so we can get all this back together as soon as possible. These ones, if I remember correctly, do not need to be welded. It's only the actual where the subframe reinforcement, where the subframe mounts to. These are just for this carrier to bolt onto. So they just really act as a spacer, not a actual like mount. So yeah, I'll get and let Carl undercoat or do all the undercoating so we can let this dry and get this over with, man. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea how bad I want to drive my car again. Plan is to daily the E46 for a bit because the X5 is leaking coolant, I believe. I could smell it sometimes, so I don't want to fuck up an N55 and have to replace it because they're just not cheap right now. So yeah, I'll be dailying this bad boy for a little bit. I'm probably gonna redo the whole cooling system on the X5. I do have clear lenses for the headlights also that I gotta get done, so I'll probably do that all while it's down. And yeah, I'll let Carl do the undercoating. It's got the fit, bro. It's got the fit. Young Carl did his thing. I already showed you the welds. We got it all coated. Right, there it is. All the undercoating has been sprayed. So now we let this dry for how long, Carl? Should we let that dry? 30 minutes? Before we can start mounting shit and stuff? Oh shit. Oh shit. Well, I guess we might start reassembling today a little bit. We'll see. It's hot, tired, hungry. I haven't eaten. So, yeah, that's probably it for this video, to be honest. Got a lot done today. Addressed all the air suspension stuff. Everything should be good to go so that when I do finish everything, I can just get up and go. Should be no more air leaks. All the bushings are done. Everything is good to go. I got the axle in on the other side too. So that's it. Thanks again if you're watching, if you're still watching. I'm trying to put out shorter videos so that you guys watch, because I don't know, I'm probably the only guy that watches 20-minute YouTube videos. I don't know. Anyways, but yeah, thanks again. You know the deal. I'll be back this week. See you later.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Ride on triple chrome, glide on them votes. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the street, screwed up with my clip. Let them see how out they gone, up the blicks. Pray to God, rapper.